Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. So another video from Canada, from Whitehorse. So now I'm on the top of the hill, the local hill near the airport, where you can see the city. We can have a nice city, and today is the Labor Day. It's a holiday in Canada, so I just have a little walk around. So in this video I'm gonna tell you what's happening in Canada. I'm here about 2.5 months already, and it's beginning of September. So I'm gonna explain you what's going on, and we'll show you some of the views. So in my last video, like a few days ago, I went on a hitchhiking trip to the Carcross. So on the way back I was waiting about 50 minutes, and then finally I got a ride. So that man, he said he passed it in that direction and he saw me, but he went to eat to some restaurant, and then say I came back to check if you're still there. So I was still there, so he gave me a lift. So he told me a little bit of his story. He's from Toronto, so he said he came here long time ago just for the seasonal work, and after he did his seasonal work, that's good. This is called wild rose. So after he came back to Toronto, he decided to come back again here, and then he's here for many years, and he loved this place. Yeah, so kind of, I don't know in my case how it's gonna be. I can say only after I will leave this place. I can say only after a while how I feel, like if I really feel like I want to come back again, or I don't want to come back. I don't know. But anyway, the summer here is not long, and it's winter here. It's very cold, as you know. But they say it depends. Like this man told me, when he just came here a long time ago, the winters were cold, and they had temperature about -40 or 45 for like few weeks. But now they say the maximum is 30-35 for a few weeks. Oh, look at this plane, small little plane landing, guys. So many small planes here. Funny. So you say now the winter's not so cold like before, like it used to be before. Sometime October is still okay, no snow, depends. So we'll see how it goes. So I want to, okay, let's walk around. I saw in the local park there's some event. Yeah, so now, so they say now a lot of bears roaming around before they go into the hibernation, because they're looking for the food to eat. Probably they're looking for these guys, which are very juicy, as you see, and a little bit sweet, not much. I'm like a bear. I like to eat this stuff, because usually here not many things growing up, only raspberries, just somewhere around the city. And this stuff, I didn't see blueberries, I didn't see other eatable berries, and I didn't see any bear yet. They say they might be even this area, but I'm not sure. I have bear spray just in case. So you see here a lot of, again, a lot of these wild rose. Another plane, another small plane, guys, and another one. So many of them landing here. Alright folks, and I didn't show you yet probably. So this looks like they are constructing one more of the stripe for the landing, or they just extending the airport. So airport is over there, like, I mean, somewhere there. So it looks like they kind of stretching it more. As we see, we can see a lot of high machinery here, heavy machinery, sorry. They're doing something. Oh, when I was here like 2 weeks ago, it was nothing much here, but now a lot of stuff happening. Plenty machines. Let's see. It's interesting. These kind of circles made of stone, quite popular in here. Even you see they brought a lot of stones here just for making these circles, probably. I see trucks offloading kind of soil, something. And here they have this nice stairs. So the people used to see, like this guy, he just came here, go up and down, kind of doing some exercise. So I don't know, it looks like there's some trail, but cannot go anywhere much, because here's like kind of ruin, and then it's airport and it's fenced. Folks, one more thing I want to show you here on these stairs. There is like an old calculator. Look at this one. Funny, huh? Before the calculators, they used to use this machine. Funny, huh? There's some stream here, small stream, actually. People coming. Just curious what is there. So the water will go in the drainage here. Plenty mushrooms again everywhere. See people coming. I think Filipino coming. At least some hike here. What is there?
Do not enter.
No?
The fence.
Ah, it's fence.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. Nice people. All right, let's go back to the city, guys. Yes, bears live here. So after we came down from this stairs, so this is kind of Black Street stairs. So here they made this kind of fitness things. So this one you can do like that. Nice. And then I want to walk on the left side along these cliffs, and we'll go to the city. I might go to the supermarket, and I want to show you some of the Canadian prices here in Yukon. Another plane took off. Plane took off. As you might see.